You look like you just got back from Panama City Beach. I'm not even kidding. I don't know if it's the settings on your phone or what. You look good.
I don't even know what to do with my hands.
I'm not sure what to do with my hands.
It'd be good just to hold them down by your side.
It's February, 70 degrees outside, and we're gonna clean the Corvette.
This is your last chance to document what it was like when you got it.
Right here, you can see that there's been squirrels in here. And this is homemade. I'm not entirely sure if my Peppo did this, but he probably did. We're gonna clean inside the compartment where the soft top sits down in there. We're gonna clean it up real good so we can fold the soft top back up into its little cubby hole. So we started cleaning on the Corvette. We found traces of mice being in there, traces of squirrels being in there, and there's mold, cobwebs, years and years worth of dirt and dust. So we've got our hands full cleaning this thing, but it's going along smoothly.
Propped up to the front. Now you should fold too. There we go.
Is this going first?
I don't force anything. I don't know what's going on at all. We pulled it out of there good. Nothing about remember what the heck I was doing. Let's go back up with it. This like needs to be up like that, but it doesn't want to. Go in like that. Oh, it's Yeah, we're definitely gonna have to find a mirror here, aren't we?
Yeah.
The wires have been cut, but there's a quick connect right beyond that, so maybe we don't need them. It does look like the screws maybe are broken there. It's missing two pieces. It's missing the glass and it's missing the piece that holds the glass.
Yeah.
We're gonna need some weather stripping seals here. They're bad.
We should probably
everywhere.
like make note of some of this stuff.
Yeah, we probably should.
Like make a list.
Yeah.
But we can always go back over it.
Yeah,
Make
but
a
if we're
list.
talking about priorities and stuff, getting it running is really high up on my priority list. I don't
Yeah.
think we need to paint it or do anything serious to it until it does run and drive.
No, I was thinking
And then-
that too.
Once it runs and drives and moves under its own power, we can take the body off and paint it.
Yeah.
Take the interior out and reupholster things we want to do. Probably remove that wood grain just because it's falling off in some spots. I really like it. It's just that it's falling. It's not good everywhere. The radio's been cut out of it too.
We'll just have to figure it We just finished wiping down all the body and getting all the dirt and grime off of it. Jarrett's going back over the gas cap area, trying to get it a little bit better. We're gonna move on to cleaning the interior. We've got a little bit of mold residue in places where it's been sitting in the garage. Some more. Just super dusty, filthy, from where it's just been sitting for years and years and years. So we're gonna get this all cleaned up and then start on the next thing. So I've just been using some soapy water to spray on this to get it just initial first wipe down. And I opened this up a while ago and there's an emblem here, a little faded out. The radio cover, some fuses, and different things. Here's a piece of that other emblem that I found in the door. are all wiped down. We're gonna move on to the engine bay. I'm gonna start by using the air hose to spray off any dirt or debris, and then we're gonna use some engine degreaser and start getting it all cleaned up. Now that we finished cleaning it and degrimming it, we get to start working on fixing it. In the next episode, we will thoroughly inspect the wiring harness.